Hey, Aylin here. So if you follow me on Instagram or on my Facebook page, you know that I just got back from a workout. And basically, I just wanted to show you my hair as well as some pro tips. In this video, I will also be reviewing MONAT's Brilliant Blonde Shampoo Duo. And their Only For You Micellular Shampoo. So, pro tip number 1. Use a soft brush prior to jumping into a shower, even if your hair is shoulder length. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This basically allows you to really get in each strand when you're putting in some shampoo or conditioner. I know some people don't shampoo every day, they shampoo every other day and they just condition every day, or some people just don't even use any products. They'll just simply wet their hair, and that's okay too, but no matter what, always soft brush your hair before jumping in the shower. So, pro tip number 2. If you're looking for a deep clean, go ahead and combo 2 of your products. This one is great for going to the gym. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and use this one, which is the Only For You by MONAT. You get it in the flagship perks. I will explain more of that in my Instagram or my Facebook page. And basically, it's a micellular soothing shampoo. It's great for everyday use. And I'm going to go ahead and pair it with this one, which is the Brilliant Blonde Shampoo, to illuminate my blondes, get rid of that dark brown looking color, the brassiness, etc., etc. And so that brings me to my third pro tip, which is always scrub your scalp. Really, really, really get in there, because doing that really, really, really gets rid of the excess oils and whatnot from your hair follicles, which will help speed up the process of your hair growth, especially if you're using MONAT products. So I cannot stress that enough. Just to recap, soft brush your hair before jumping into a shower. Combo your products. Use this, and then when you're done, you use it, you rinse, then you can go ahead and use this. And then number 3, scrub your scalp. Really, 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 really get in there. So we're gonna go ahead and continue this in the shower. I was talking to you about doing the duo. So we're gonna start with this one. Again, it's called Only For You by MONAT. It's a micellular soothing shampoo. Perfectly good for those who go to the gym a lot, because you can use it every day if you need to. So I'm going to go ahead and put that much because I have long hair. It says just apply to wet hair, massage, and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Since I'm doing the duo, I'm not going to let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my hair, like so. And remember, like I said, really, really get in there, scrub. So next is the Brilliant Blonde Shampoo, and this is kind of yellowy, but it smells really good. Yeah, it smells really good. Since I have long hair, again, I'm going to use a little bit more than normal. It says to use a quarter size and then leave that on for 1 to 2 minutes, rinse well, and then use with the conditioner. So here we go. Okay, so here's the last step. And basically apply a quarter size, work through until the ends, and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Here we go. Hopefully you guys can see this. So again, I'm gonna use a little more because I have longer hair. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at alin.withcare. And thanks for watching.